YouTubes. This is part 2 of this Toro that I picked up for free from a moving people who are moving. And part 1, I changed the oil, sharpened the blade. It does run. Power washed it. Cleaned up the tires because they had put screws in them because they had a hilly yard. But we diagnosed the self-propelled. It worked, but the cable was bad, and I ordered one. Well, it just came in literally within an hour ago from eBay, a seller on eBay. It came in from camera by accident. It came in from, let's see, Iowa. This is a it's not new. The guy said that he was trying to fix his mower, and it turned out to be the transmission, not the control cable. Whatever. So he went ahead and put it up for sale at a discounted price. It is a, I think it's a Stens, if I recollect correctly. So let's go open this up together and let's take a look. I'm trying to make sure I don't let his address and name show up on the camera. Okay. My gosh. A bag inside of a bag. Inside of a bag. I wonder why they did that. So, here we go. You see, there's your part number, and this is a Stens part that is used, but they said it's still good. It better be. I'll be pissed off. You can tell it's got a little bit of surface rust, but it's supposed to still work. So let's see. Now, here, if I pull this, it should pull the other side, and it does. So that means this cable's good. Just gonna go put this on. Let me show you how. The first part of it is down here at the transmission. I mean at the pulley. What you do is literally just put it in and then stick the hook there, like that. Put it in. Pull up on the cable and push it in. Very easy. Let's go put it up in the handle now. Part of the cable in, so you can adjust the tension, which is going to be how much it pulls when you put the self-propelled on. So sometimes you need a flathead screwdriver. So just tighten the bolt up, and let's I'll show you how you adjust it. It'll be useful. See if I can get this to get this cable in. You take your flathead screwdriver, push it in, and make this hole bigger so you can slide it in. See, it's in. I adjusted it just to something that will. What you do is you put it in there. And I'm gonna pull it. And you see it'll engage the transmission down there. You zoom in. That'll engage the transmission and the self-propelled. Now you need to adjust it. Basically, you adjust where this cable is to how much tension, how powerful the self-propel is. And that's pretty much it. I got this cable on. One thing about buying parts off of Amazon, off of eBay, this cable, I'm gonna have to JB weld some of this metal together. A little bit of a crack there, just to reinforce it. That should be good enough. But the transmission, although previous video showed that it worked, it wasn't under load pulling anything. So when it pulls stuff, it does a little bit funky stuff, makes some noise, but it does pull. Let me show you. Maybe I need to open up the transmission and take a look. You hear that? That sounds like the gears grinding. So I'm gonna take a look at that and see what's up. Open up the transmission just to take a look and see how things are. There you go. Yeah, the gears are a little worn, but this grease isn't looking good. So it looks like it's packed with mud and other stuff. So what I'm going to try to do is clean it out and repack it with grease. I've had that happen where doing that fixed it, and it worked much better. So I'm just going to put some generic grease in it after I clean this out. Look what I found. You see, this gasket or whatever got sucked into the transmission. So that was probably what was making the noise. So I'm gonna just, like I said, clean it out and repack it. I have repacked the transmission with this general purpose grease. I've done this once before on a Toro, and I've just filled this up. Maybe this will work. If not, big deal. So let's just stick this cover back on and let's try it and put everything back together. Let's hope this works. Because if this doesn't, it's the transmission, and I really don't want to change the transmission. Let me set up and I'll on this Toro. It's got a transmission going out, so I'm either going to take it out and make it a push mower, or maybe if I can find a good transmission for it later.